What up, guys? On Wednesday, we saw a crazy move of the markets. The forex market and the crypto market went both parabolic to the sky, and BTC moved all the way from $64,000 to $79,000, giving it a percentage move of about 28% move in 3 days, which made many people who were already on short position to get liquidated, and those who were lucky to have been in the right position, moving with the trend that came up, had the opportunity to make some profits. So let's check the charts to see what happened in the markets. So on Wednesday, we saw the market move so parabolic to the upside. The BTC was in the downward channel before, then it broke it remained on top. Then on Wednesday, the strong move fundamentals brought it to the position from, it was already on Wednesday, it was at 64,000. Then from 64,000 moved all the way to around 79,000. So that was how the markets played out last week. On Wednesday, that was how the market played on Wednesday, and most of us already got the signals and we're already in positions. Both the crypto market, even the forex market, gold was also on the serious buy and went parabolic as well. So gold was, we can see it. We also on this trade because we got an alert from our system to enter a buy position. So that was how the markets moved last week. Learn how we trade with our system. There is a WhatsApp link attached to the bio, so use the bio link to join the WhatsApp group. Okay, see you inside.